Rafael? Rafael? Okay, wait moment. Oops, sorry. Oh, sorry. Maybe you first? Yes, because the big motorbike. You first.
Oh.
Yeah.
Thank you.
From here maybe.
Oh, yeah, maybe.
Yeah.
Good idea.
Yeah. Because big.
Thank you.
Okay, be careful. Okay.
It's a nice one. Nice scooter.
It's big bike.
Got a whole back. How good.
Yeah, you can relax.
It's nice. Thank you.
Welcome. Where you from?
Canada.
Canada.
Yes.
Okay.
First time in Bali.
First time? Yes.
I love it.
Okay, ready?
Yeah, all good. Thank
Okay,
you.
let's go. Holiday?
Yes.
How long?
2 weeks.
2 weeks. Okay. You go Canggu?
I don't know. Uluwatu is pretty party for me, so Canggu might be too party.
Yeah.
Next to Wood.
Yes, maybe you go to Canggu. Canggu, Prerenans.
Yeah.
Yeah, Seminyak. More. Maybe 2 weeks you can go to.
All over.
Yeah. Alone? You holiday alone or with friends?
With friends.
With friends. Yeah. Maybe boyfriend maybe.
Just friends. Some boys.
Okay. Uluwatu's good. No traffic.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Better than some, eh?
Yeah.
Canggu is really busy traffic, no?
Yeah, every
Yeah?
day. Every time traffic. Canggu good for party.
Yeah.
Yeah, every night party. You make picture?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The road is rough though, right?
Yeah. Later I can send you video.
Oh, you're welcome. That would be good.
Yes, on camera. Later I show you.
Okay, thank you.
Maybe say hello the camera. Yeah. You don't go to Bedugul?
So where?
Bedugul?
Oh, I haven't been yet.
Budugul.
Should I go there?
Budugul, Kintamani, maybe you go there.
Okay.
Good view.
Hmm?
Good view.
Yeah.
Yes, Kintamani, maybe you go there. It's very good. Maybe you check the Google. Very good. But no party, the Kintamani.
Sometimes you need a break from the party though.
Every night you party maybe. Every night you party.
Yes, every night. For like 5 nights so far.
Oh,
I'm getting tired.
Maybe later you come back again to Bali maybe.
I'll definitely be back for sure.
January.
January.
When you come back?
I don't know. I don't know yet, but I love it here.
Yeah, Bali is very good. Very good and cheap.
Yeah.
Yes, very cheap. Bali. Are you working or student?
I know, too old.
Oh, graphics. Right.
Thank
Can?
you so much.
Welcome. You don't need video?
Oh yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I can show you the sample video. You can keep my number. This video, like this one. More video. Wait, the last video. I make the video one. Yeah.
Oh, that's cool.
Good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe later I can send you the
Yeah,
video.
sweet.
You keep my number.
Perfect.
My WhatsApp.
Yeah.
Okay.